What if I told you? Most players are using the wrong pickleball paddle? Pause. After testing 37 paddles, only 5 made the cut. One of them will shock you. Stay tuned, because your game is about to change forever. Starting at number 1. Vanguard Control Invikta. Selkirk is a wildly popular paddle maker, but I was not a huge fan of the higher-end paddles in the lineup after testing dozens of models over a few seasons. The Selkirk Vanguard Control Invikta sold me on the brand. It's still the best all-around paddle for most people and the one I'd recommend to anyone. Number 2. Warrior BluCore Pickleball Paddle. I was not sure what to expect from Diadem's new BluCore paddle, which is among a handful of new paddles that have replaced the standard honeycomb polymer core with closed-cell foam. They sent me a sample of the stuff, and it looks like you could make a gas station cooler out of it. That foam is substantially more durable. It has a lifetime warranty, in fact, OV. Number 3. Pickleball Paddles, set of 2. If you've never played pickleball, this is a good place to start, so you can get a feel for the game without sinking too much dough. For less than $30, you get 2 paddles and a few balls. I bought this set of panel sound paddles when I wanted to try the game with my 10-year-old daughter, who has taken 5 years of tennis lessons. Number 4. Ben John's Perseus Pro 4. This is the 4th edition of the signature paddle made for pro pickleballer Ben Johns, the reigning number 1 singles player in the world. I've tested the previous 2 Johns paddles along with a half-dozen others from mainland-based Jula, including a few now-banned paddles that were the subject of a brief calamity last year. Number 5. Hush. Diadem's Hush is a thermoformed paddle that employs a foam-covered face to eliminate the controversial pop sound, which I love. Diadem says it's the quietest paddle in the world. I found the noise level more akin to tennis than pickleball. The best compliment I can give the Hush is that it handles mostly like any. So, which paddle will you choose? Drop your pick in the comments. I read every one. All links to buy these paddles are in the description. Smash that like button if this helped you, share with your pickleball squad, and subscribe for more game-changing gear breakdowns.